Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy DeVintage, man, and today we're going to be talking about this year's holiday Air Jordan 11, man. It's very anticipated. Everybody was trying to figure out what was going to be. That's going to be the cool grays, maybe even the DMP 11s, but I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be getting today in this video. So if you're new right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Like the video to go for every video is 300 likes. You guys already know the deal. So right now, if you're watching this, smash that like button, man, and please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World, especially if you want to buy some of the merch that we have on the channel, man. I'll put a couple pictures right here so you guys can check out what I have in store for you guys. And if you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit me up on IG to purchase one of these dad hats, man. Very fire. I got some suede, got some distress, and most of the distress ones are already sold out, so you will have to pick from the suede joints that I have over here, man. Just hit me up on IG. It's linked down below. If you want to get a hat, hit me up and we can get that worked out. So all that being said, let's jump right into this year's holiday Air Jordan 11, man. Let's get it. All right, so real quick, before we get into the shoe, you guys know we got the Bread 11, which is super highly anticipated for us to get this one. They brought it back, and of course, you guys do know the year before that we got the Concourse, man. I was really thinking, you know, Jordan Brand, they gonna switch it up. They gonna give us something we really want. That's something they ain't dropped in forever, which will be the cool grays, man. That's why I put it in the title. I wanted to talk to you guys about that. It's so many Air Jordan 11s. It's just so many sneakers in general that we want to get back, and they always defer around that sneaker. Prime example, the Bread ones. It was rumored that we was gonna get those for Black Friday, and what did we end up getting? The Bloodline ones, man. So this is still a dope shoe. I would much rather have the original Bread ones. They didn't have to, you know what I'm saying, scrap it. They could have brought it out for us, man. You guys do know I still don't have the Bread ones, no matter how many sneakers I got. I got an unboxing right here for you guys that I gotta do right here. Check it out. And I have another package from Champ Sports just sitting over there. I don't want to spend $1,000 on the Breads. I just feel like they are going to release very, very soon. We haven't got it since 2016. So it's been around, what, 4 years, going on 5 years, because it is not nowhere saying that they will release this year. So that's another shoe we gotta wait for, man. But I'm just tired of Jordan Brand going around this shoe that we are asking for, we are crying for, literally. The cool gray 11s, I really want that shoe back. I know there's a lot of rumors that we was gonna get those and the DMP 11s. You guys do know we had the DMP 6 release earlier this year. It kept getting pushed back and stuff like that. And I was even thinking maybe it was getting pushed back because it was gonna drop the DMP 11s, but we did not get it. It's nowhere saying they're gonna be releasing, no rumors or anything like that. But shouts out to Z Sneakerheads for letting us know what we will be getting this upcoming December. This is not the official image, but check it out, check it out. The upper looks like it's like a suede or a nubuck or something like that. Something I'm really not interested in. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but as y'all know, when you see a shoe on the pictures, you see the mock-ups, you're really not feeling it at that instance. But maybe when we do get the shoe, we get our hands on it, we get to see the official images, maybe your opinion would change a lot once you see it, man. So we're gonna see how it is on the release date around like later November, December time frame when we get those official images from Nike, from Jordan Brand and stuff like that. But checking it out right here, I'm gonna give you guys a little picture. It's only one that I have seen, and I've seen it on Z Sneakerhead's page, and he's like pretty much the guy to go to for all the mock-ups, all the confirmed releases that we don't see as like the general public, I guess you can call us. And I was like, man, we getting this? All I had read was the description under the picture at first, and I was like, man, I hope this ain't the shoe. But they got the official colorway, which I'm gonna give you guys right now. So for this year's holiday Air Jordan 11, the official colorway, you can go ahead and match it and see what the colors is at the shoe right here. The official colorway is black, multicolor, white, and multicolor, man. I don't see the multicolor vibes. I definitely see the icy blue soles. I see like a suede upper. That's what it looked like to me. And if you want to see like a better picture, if you want to zoom in on the picture, go follow Z Sneakerheads on IG. Like I said, he has all the info. He has a lot of information about like future releases. I think he even, I'm saying, dip and dab in the shock drop stuff too, man. I'm not too sure about that, but I know he is very knowledgeable. It seems like he had his foot in the door with Nike and with Jordan Brand with all the information he brings to the sneaker community, man. But you guys let me know right now, do you feel these? I don't know what they're gonna call it. This shoe almost reminds me of like the 72 and 10s in some type of way. That's not a shoe we was really feeling, but once they came out, of course they sold out. It's an Air Jordan 11. It's around that holiday time. That's when everybody's gonna cop a pair of 11s, man. And you never know, they might do a double Air Jordan 11 this year. A couple years ago, we got these navy joints. I think this was the 82s, and then we had the 98s or something like that. You know what I'm talking about, the all red pair which are right up. And we got this one in the same year. I don't know if you guys remember that, but they did a double whammy. I think it was like 2 weeks apart from each other. We got this one first and this one, or vice versa, man. But 2 Air Jordan 11 releases in the same holiday. But maybe, like I said, we might see that happen again this year. I'm hoping so, because I'm really not feeling the mock-up of what we might be getting this upcoming holiday. I know I'm always one for saying, like, I love when Jordan Brand does new things, but it's getting to a point now, like, Jordan Brand, bring out the cool grays, man. Bring out the DNP 11s. Bring back the Gamma 11s, man. We got these prom night or cap and gown 11s, but everybody really wanted the original Gamma 11s, man. They give you the same type of vibes, but the only thing you're missing on this shoe is the Gamma Blue hits on the tongue, and I think it had a Gamma Blue Jumpman on the side of your Air Jordan 11. So yeah, man, it's like my little rant. They cool, they alright. I still might cop a pair. They're Air Jordan 11s. I love 11s, I love 1s, I love 3s. It's a lot of different silhouettes I'm really digging. If they throw the right color on the shoe, I'm definitely more inclined to go cop that sneaker. So yeah, let me know right now down below if you are feeling these. Let me know if you're gonna be copying, you're gonna be dropping. And let me know if you had the opportunity to call up Jordan and say, hey man, I want this sneaker. Let me know what that would be down below, man, because I'm very interested. For me, if I had to pick any Air Jordan 11 right now for them to drop this upcoming holiday, it would have to be the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. I just need them, bro. I never had them. I got the lows, of course, but I need the highs. The lows are gonna do just fine for now, but hey, everybody want that original, that hot cut Air Jordan 11, and the Cool Grays ain't released in like over 4 or 5 years, man. So like I said, let me know which Air Jordan 11 you'll want to have down below in the comment section. Alright guys, I appreciate everybody for tuning into this quick video, this quick rant over this year's holiday Air Jordan 11. If you want to get some of the merch that I have dropped for the channel, man, hit me up on IG right now. I have all the pictures on my story, and I'm gonna post another couple pictures right here so you guys can see it. So if you want anything, if you want to support me, you want to support the channel, and you want you some fire hats, man, just go ahead and hit me up on IG at DeVintage World. They'll be linked down below. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Like the video, to go for every video is 300 likes. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.